Do you want to know how you can log into your Netspend bank account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Netspend bank account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to the Google search bar. Now in the search bar, search for Netspend bank login. Scroll a bit down until you find this link over here which says Netspend All Access Mobile Banking. Click on this link over here and you can see that it will take you to the official site of Netspend. What you need to do right now is click on Login, which is on the top right hand side of your corner. So click on Login and it will take you to this login portal where you can write down your username and password associated with your Netspend bank. After writing your username and password, click Login and then you can successfully log into your Netspend bank. If you want your browser to remember your username, click on this box. If in case you have forgotten your username, this is the link for you to retrieve back your username. And if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and recover back your password quite easily. I hope this video about how you can log into your Netspend bank was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.